Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! WXJ41 relay! Awesome! Flare it out! Flare it out! Come on!
Test with the NOAA weather radio tone and scene alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories.
Awesome!
The weather is expected on Wednesday. Or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next chill weather day. Across the lower schedule is tested with the NOAA weather radio and scene alert systems. Eastern Long Island with lower to mid.
That's awesome! Cool! Perfect! Awesome! Alert works activated. WR120 activated.
Here is the official national weather
the 12362 activated and the HH54 activated. Awesome. That's pretty awesome. So, here we go. Here we go. Sanjin activated. This one activated.
Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All
This
Hazards
one,
Radio public
and this
warning
one.
system on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Yeah.
Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test.
Awesome.